Oh, she turn on.
Hold on, guys. Hold
on, guys. Me turn you.
Turn around. We can't get you.
Nurse, she go turn here. Let's start here.
Turn on.
Alright, so.
No, you can't get something from the keeper. Turn so light from the deep, please. Pretty and I'm only going. I'm a friend that you know. You are. You tap. I feel like you go.
Yeah.
Go tap. So you gone now, look a bit. It's still high, you know. Gone now, look a bit, nurse. I did 195. I did 195 earlier when we just come over there. And me test it did at 195, but it's still high, nurse. Look on that man. Jesus.
Nurse. You can't hear me?
You can see me one more. Money gone.
You can't hear me? Nurse, you can't hear me?
You have to do it on the arm. I same thing, you can do it on the arm and you can do it, yes, it's the same thing. It's the same thing. This one is more, you can do what? You see.
It's a yes, but you can.
Nurse, you hear me? Me the one who can read, you know, wait to keep it here. Right, so why not can't take off yesterday?
You should have done it.
You can't take off. It's just because I don't want to say, yeah?
Nurse.
What nurse say? It will give you false results. Let me see.
Where's it?
Come on, come check your pressure for you. Come here, sir. Well, make me check any pressure for you before you come. Come on, check it. If you want to check it on the arm, you can check it. Where come, Alex? Where come? Yes, our pharmacy. Nurse, we are going to check it at our pharmacy to make sure, yeah? You hear, nurse? We're going to check it at a pharmacy just to make sure.
Make it face it.
Would you be able to check someone's pressure for me? Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Hello, Princess. How are you? Good morning. Could you check her pressure for me, please? She seems very high.
I can't sit down.
No, right there, so you can. No, it's good. No, good. That's good. You just check it with this one. Check it with the pressure first. I same thing. And she was saying, sometimes I said this week, you know. No, I didn't check it much. You use your machine and still check. Last time I checked my pressure. So we are going to see.
Baby. We'll figure it out. Okay. No, you don't show me.
Baby.
Marty.
Let me.
Okay, sweetie?
Hey, baby. Yeah, you can hear me now? You can't hear
Oh,
me?
yeah, I just had to take one of my reflex.
Remember the live thing?
Reflex? What's that got to do with asthma? Allergy, asthma, all the same. You said reflex.
Nurse, you can't hear me?
You mean the allergy thing? Yeah. When we do the TikTok thing, how can she hear me? She
You
said,
can't
see
hear
my
me?
mic? It won't go up.
Let me see. How can she hear me? Oh, you're trying to talk to me?
Mm-hmm.
What do you mean
I'm
your
trying to help
mic
her with her
won't go
blood
up?
pressure.
What do you mean the mic won't go up?
See, they
Oh,
say I'm there.
what do you mean go
So
up?
she can't hear me.
Do you have your hands free on? Do you have? Hold on.
That's what I was looking for. Audio.
No, where is your thing for hands-free communication? Is it
We'll be in
Wi-Fi?
settings.
Should be right freaking here. Do you use a hands-free?
I never did it.
You don't use.
I never even been on TikTok live like that.
I don't even know why your hands-free ain't. So you don't have that on.
Right, 'cause you can't
Okay,
have that on,
you don't
right?
have that on. You can if you had a Bluetooth.
I have Bluetooth, but somebody told me to take it off. Maybe she
Why?
can hear me. I just took it off.
Okay, can you ask her if she can hear you now?
Mr. Annie, can you hear me?
Hold on, guys. Ask nurse if she can't hear. No, no, she can't. Hey, Annie, for sure. Can't really put this. Oh. Solid. I get charged. Sometimes you feel like never passing. Yeah, if we are restarting, make it run out for me. See that? See that? Straight out. Huh? Tell you. Hold on. Let me show you, nurse. Nurse. See it? I mean, when nurse. You check when you come there, so. I mean, I wonder, listen. She not hear me. You can't hear me? All right. Put our power. We can put our drip. No, I don't think so. Yeah, she have a blood pressure, yes. So maybe that's why no card. We make sure eat on salad raw. She don't really different. Yeah, because she eat the burger, she eat the salad alone is done it. No, me just salad. I know salad has problem. Me just nearly have high blood pressure. Yeah, me take them one time. Me go. I tell you, I tell you, so I feel it last night, but it's a coldness that rush through my head. I tell you, so pressure take me to this morning. Yeah, no, but me know why. Because you always attack. So just a top number, just a top number. Both of them, top and the bottom. Bottom 180. Yes, too much. Yes, sir. I tell her, so you get up to the phone. Water, the drink from that shit. Yeah, the pressure. Yeah, something. until you experience a more blurriness. Because that is but just a blurriness in the experience. Yes, we did them just get some blurriness in the take it today. Take it today. But I feel like go by hospital and come just feel funny. I just feel like to look at emergency room and say we can get something. Why? Send me just go up there and then, right? Alright, I'm going to go by hospital. You're just safe and sorry. Alright, thank you. Thank you so much.
So you tell you.
I can walk. Come.
Water.
Back water?
You have to use water and the water flush out.
Can I make them buy one? Let me go back in the care. I want to close. Tell me that is. Come. With the hide in our car. Bro, me nobody not come out of the car and you're not here. Me not just go by next house. No guys, me I go by hospital.
If you're looking at, if you're going to hospital, you don't mind, you know.
They can't just give me medication. Guys, me just want me go by hospital. No, I feel like go by hospital. No, me go up there. Me just have my reason. My reason. Me tell you, me drop me off, right? You get you. Yeah, drop me off and drop me off and next thing I'll pick up Jagga them and come back down on me here. Let me say somebody time when I'm not listening now.
You're going for Tommy?
Let somebody with me and go for them and come back.
It's working.
And go for the what?
No, me make them drop me off at hospital and go pick up Jagga and Chanel and come back down. Oh, so go on, go up then and come back down then.
How far you go?
Mother just go up with my daughter, me then I go bathe and do the thing. You see me down on Chilani side.
Chilani?
Right.
You can't get Chilani now with this operation. And you have to go to the doctor first.
I mean, I want to go to the doctor in this appointment.
Looking at now. If you want we rent one place and you bathe and shower and after change your clothes. We can't do that. We can't go so far. Akiwa, she can't go so far, you know. She can't go Chilani with this operation, so.
Alright, so what? We go for.
So my yard then, and like, Annie couldn't come in my yard, but she can't die on the live stage.
Alright, go down a Jagga. Go down a Jagga and come back. That I don't run a DBA.
It's far place that again.
No man, that's not far.
Bellier.
Nutile. You already ate the pasta with no face.
Nurse, you can hear me?
Sir, I don't want to drive. Let's go drive it, boss. Go and drive now. Alex, go and drive now, bro.
Me will do it. I can't drive.
This is vehicle to side the road.
I can't drive.
You're learning to drive, sweetie. It's a part of it. We all learn. I'll learn to drive, Tina. But I feel like I'm a big driver.
Stop smoking. Yeah, I see that, but I like me smoke often.
Oh, the phone is in here? Our phone.
Hmm?
Our phone.
I feel a big phone this? Yeah.
So if you sit down for so guess what? Let me tell you what we're going to do. My doctor, me sit down. My doctor that
Private doctor, me like go see me. Regular doctor.
no, but suppose me have to get the flush out. Suppose me have to get if anything meaning for make my health okay, be better.
Yeah,
Me can't just sit down and wait
I
and
can't
sit
rest the
down.
one thing, you know. All I do with you, know.
No, the only thing is my blurriness of my eyes. That's my problem, my blurriness of my eye them. So if me have to go, then me have to go.
Your journal number. Your journal number. Give me.
Not gonna. I'm back up the road.
Upload class.
Go on a doctor, buy a coconut. Guys, the comments them go up real fast. Help, seeking help, seek help. Go. My doctor me feel me for go. Me feel me for go. My spirit I tell me say go to the doctor there, I swear. If them have to give anything, because the thing is this, if me not have me help, me can't do nothing. You understand what I say? Alex, hold this. True. So the thing is this, we just have feelings, see?
You know,
You sit there.
oh, come the one that me just buy, you know. They ask me already, you know. So sorry. And use your card. You have a card?
Wait, so where my phone card there?
Fine. Right
now.
Yeah. No, use your card. My card is not to do your phone. What about that? You ask?
Guys, alright, hold on. Guys, somebody has sent me a request.
Last lady wants up, I don't know why.
The boss lady say?
She that blew a long time, but I couldn't tap, but she want me to tap. But I get out of traffic or whatever.
Good morning, Annie.
Hi, good morning.
Get one cucumber, get piece of garlic, get piece of ginger, blend all it and drink it on a regular basis. You can put in the fridge, drink it cool.
Cucumber?
Yeah, blend the cucumber, piece of garlic and piece of ginger.
Yeah, cucumber no look now.
So
me have to go drink that now? Before me
drink it. You can drink it now. Just drink it on a regular like a water. You put in the fridge cool, you just drink it on a regular basis.
On the road, no. Me have to go hospital, no. Me can't stop to go blend. Me go get a bath, right? And dress up and put on some clothes. I just feel like guy hospital because my eyes them I get blurry, like literally.
Yeah, you need to go to the hospital, but that do work.
So after me come from the hospital, me do the juice then?
Yeah.
Alright, may I do that after that? If me have to go, me have to go. Alright, you know, me no sense me go around and try to get every remedy and it now go work.
Alright.
Alright, baby, thank you.
You're welcome.
Start on a road trip. Supermarket.
Go now.
Yeah.
Me just have me go put on some admin.
She said she wanted an animal. He got up without complaint, but when he came back with the animal, she had already fallen asleep. He knew how rare it was for her to sleep well. So instead of waking her, he lay next to her on the couch and said to her, "I think he's a great husband, but there's a lot of something." That day, upon her son though, he rushed her to the hospital right away. But when he found out it would take hours for the baby to come out, he started getting restless. Just then his nurse called, asking him to handle
Honey,
Yeah?
honey, good morning.
Yeah, can you?
Yes, somebody.
Morning.
Yes, you need to go to the hospital because the pressure is not something where if you play with me. Trouble with high blood pressure. Me go me on the clinic and me go Tuesday. My pressure was way high. Me have to go back this Tuesday. So you have to be careful. And when you're taking the medication, you cannot take a lot of stuff. You have to wait until like when you take the medication and it go down, then you can take other things, but you can drink garlic tea. And the cucumber, you can just eat it same way. Just wash it, eat it with the skin. It help a lot.
Alright.
Yeah, but as somebody, me have 43 now, and me have high blood pressure from me at 19. So as somebody with the on the clinic, I tell you. But the pressure. And you have to cut off for the alcohol. And the alcohol goes send up the pressure.
Yeah.
The alcohol tends to send up the pressure.
You say I basically me see the doctor now, that's the only thing me think.
Yeah, you need to go to the hospital because the blood pressure, I think I see them say 150, 250 something over 190. Normal blood pressure is 120 over 80. Anything past that, is that way too high. 200 and add that can give your strokes, and please, may I beg you to a mother, where me trouble with high pressure, me have it from me at 19 and now me at 43. Right now for me, how much pill me just have to take. Please, me I beg you, go to the hospital because them have to go give you some drip. I think them have to go put drip on you to carry down. Or them have to go, when me go Dr. Tuesday, them have to give me 4 pill instant as me reach.
Alright,
the pressure was too high. Yeah, man, just go to the hospital, man. It best for your health. Go to the hospital. And the pressure, you have to be careful because you see pressure, it will damage your heart. If you're not be careful with the pressure, it damage your heart. So me I beg you, please, just go to the doctor and take your medication. And you have it easier for the alcohol too. No, alcohol.
Easier for what?
The alcohol. No, for my alcohol drink. It's not good with the pressure and the medication. So you see the alcohol tend to send up the blood pressure, you know. Cause from where you have to tone on your voice. Even when you cuss out the ras, but tone on your voice, do. Yes, cause some of them have no behavior.
Yeah.
Cuss but tone on your voice little. Cause when your voice go up, it tends to fill up the blood pressure, you know.
That's true.
Yeah, so you have to know. Remember, so you can't follow people in. You can't watch people. Remember, so you have your pitney them for live for. Cause me a mother, you know, me have me pitney them. Me have me bag of drink bang them and me grand pitney them for live for too. So we have to know. You can't make all nigga make your gun and then them they live for them life. So you know watch them.
Yeah.
Do what you have to do. And don't make nobody tell about your house. About us, me live now well comfortable, we not pay no rent, no landlord knock or knock.
Yeah,
you understand? Live your life, if suit yourself and you pity them, not for suit nobody else.
Yeah.
Not for suit people, live if you suit yourself and you pity them. If I am tap all in your hand, you're comfortable and you're well comfortable. Now watch people.
Yeah.
Don't watch people. But you need to go to the hospital because that pressure is too high. Please.
That me I go do. Me just go to my son's house and next
So
Go
if
straight
yes,
to
I'm not admit you all you have to do
me go, me
make
just do what me have to do and leave out right now and go straight.
yeah, when I go to the hospital, tell them say your pressure high. Because they will just sit down and wait, so you just tell them say you have high blood pressure, you not feel
Me
good.
talk to them, my chest feel tight and my eye them blurry.
No, honey, high pressure, so me did feel.
That be a problem now.
And so me did feel Tuesday morning and me have to go to the doctor. And so me did feel and it make your eye them feel like say it make your eye them feel like when you drink rum and drunk.
Get more blurry like a fog over my eye like
yes,
you know,
yes, I tell you pressure.
It's a fog, like it's a fog
Yeah,
over
yeah,
my eye.
yeah. I mean, I tell you, say, I saw me did feel Tuesday morning. I mean, I have to go to the doctor. Them will go give, probably them will give, have to give you drip to carry the pressure fast enough.
Yeah. All right.
Sometimes I drip there. Probably them, in case them, no man, remember, say, big up yourself and you take care of yourself. Make sure you reach at the hospital. Nobody wait too long. Because the pressure not normal. Honestly, he let me out already all the time. And drink nothing.
Yeah.
You need to get one bottle of water and take time drink it.
Oh, guys, when I
Get
pick up
one bottle of
water,
water and take one bottle of cool water and take time drink it. Yeah, man. Get a bottle of water and go and drink it. Me I tell you from my experience. Me a 43 and me I tell you say pressure kill me, Annie. Me can't me not be pressure. When me say it kill me, me mean say it kill me. Just get a plain bottle, just get a bottle of water and take time so big.
Me I stop and get a jelly water.
Yeah, get one plain water too.
Jelly water. I may get the bottle of water here.
Yeah, man, get it, man.
Go now. What that me the queen? I go now.
Yeah, man, you have to go now and you have to go now.
I'm going to shots and see where this one change.
Yeah, me understand. So just go to your son and just change off and then you just go to the hospital. And when you go, you just tell them say your pressure high and you don't feel good. Nobody go sit down and wait for take no number. Just tell them how you feel. Tell them say your pressure high. Because if you don't tell them they not go know, you know. Just tell them say your pressure high and you don't feel good. So they must send you into a nurse same time and then the doctor look on you.
Alright.
Right.
Alright, thank you. Yes.
Yeah, man. You're welcome.
Boss lady there with me. She have come. Boss lady the back away come?
She there, exactly back.
Boss lady did the guy she have come.
Your friend there, dog. You can't go around with that shit.
You need to come off of my page. You need to come off of my page, like get the freak off my page.